How great was that music? If you're not familiar with what MusicBed does, they do music licensing. Instead of like having the shanty stock music you can get from most websites, MusicBed's music is like here versus here. Before I did photography for a living, I actually did video work. I would use MusicBed frequently, like licensing stuff for projects. When they announced they were coming out with a membership subscription, I was amped. And then they asked if I wanted to be a part of their ambassador program, which I was like 3 times amped. As a YouTube creator, one of the most frustrating things and most of my time is actually spent finding music, and that's honestly why I use a lot of the same songs for stuff, just because when you're on these stock websites, it's slim pickings for sure. I'm not gonna sit here and talk about how great their audio library is. Honestly, just go to their website, listen through some of it, and you'll hear the difference. So essentially they just came out with this subscription-based thing. Prices are right here, and you know, if you're doing YouTube video stuff, if you're a business, if you're doing weddings, there's different price points. And now instead of the struggle being finding a good song, it's gonna be which good song do I use? So as an ambassador, I have a referral link. It's linked below in the description. Click on it, it'll give you more information on what it has to offer. What MusicBed is doing is offering a way to let creators be more free and less of a hassle to find good music to back up their art. This is honestly one of the biggest reasons why I'm stoked to be making videos again.